What'd they say his name was?
Asa.
Asa.
Asa?
Yeah.
Appropriate name for a female dog.
Oh, get that guy over here. I want to get his face on camera.
That's called a smooshed face.
Hold his chin up.
Hold his lips out. Yeah, there you go.
He could fly. What's that one's name?
Like, I don't know. I can't remember
Ah.
Sporting a stylish.
Hello.
Let him just look at me normally. I want to get this guy on film. Puppy, come here. Hello.
Hello. Hey, baby.
Okay, coming in from the south end, Jim Bennett for second tier in the men's first small, coming in at 28 off.
Every pass. Some cars are usually a steady light wind.
Hey, you get those t-shirts. Too bad we don't have two lines. You can call you.
37 is one half total Lewis on his third pass.
Why is that guy hanging around here?
It's going to be our Charlotte
He
Chandler.
just likes it here.
Found a comfortable patch of grass.
Asa. Come here, girl. I'm not moving, I'm lazy. Oh man, you decided to come. Come on.
Go.
You get that, Philip?
Yeah.
Did you get killed on that? No. She was on the
Clawed
on the car. Yeah.
Grill.
Hello, little puppy. Yes. Hello, little guy. Asa. 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 Yeah.
You ever
No
heard of
reason why she shouldn't be.
That's a good puppy dog.
You ever heard of Linda Giddens?
That's a good puppy.
You ever heard of her?
Yes.
Film director.
Yes.
With the big ears.
Today. I left all yesterday.
Oh. She has too much fun out here.
I'm surprised she hadn't gone this morning.
Magic.
Go get it,
Magic.
man.